I'm nothing without her.
Some potential merch. Vamos a España.
What the finch?
Good morning vlog. I feel like this is literally how I start every vlog, in this sweatshirt, glasses or no glasses, and a hood, and I just look super cute. Hey. So it's Friday. We've got a busy Friday on our hands. I've actually written out a to-do list for once in my life because I used to be really good about that, and then apparently I forgot how to do it, or got lazy, or all of the above. So got a really long list. Told myself I'm gonna vlog today. Look what I'm doing. I have to set a video live, get ready, film another video, have some calls, have more calls, film TikTokies, take some photos with Morgan, edit a video, blah, 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 blah. Cool. First, I'm making a little bit of breakfast and coffee, and this is the best apple juice I've had in my entire freaking life, you guys. It's from Trader Joe's, and it is so good. But I'm just gonna have some cereal because I'm feeling not like so hungry, but kind of hungry. And we've moved the Keurig over here because Morgan got some new furniture, which I'm not gonna give away quite yet what it looks like. Yeah, things have changed a little bit. So anyway, trying to hop on my more regular vlogging schedule again, because that would be fun and nice. And comment down below if you have come from TikTok and subscribed here, because I'm curious. Okay, cool. All right. Uploading my what's on my iPhone video on my main channel. Also, I'm obsessed with these lights. I know I showed you in my last vlog, but they have come so in handy. I love them. Woo! I'm trying to make a thumbnail and my Photoshop literally keeps freezing. So I like can't make it. So I don't know what to do. Just the frustrations of being a YouTuber. This is why TikTok is so much easier. Okay, I finally got my video up. And I put on makeup. I'm about to have a couple of phone calls. Boring, but like day in the life of an entrepreneur who's working from home. And then today at 2 o'clock, I'm going live on Instagram to talk about mental health. So if you guys didn't know, I'm like a major mental health advocate. I have 2 psychologist parents. I have been exposed to mental health my whole life. I've had issues myself that I've overcome. And so we've been, as part of this kind of docu-series and movement called The Shift that I've been working on since December, we are doing some Instagram lives and like interviewing some people who are doing a lot in the mental health sphere. So that's really cool. So if you guys are interested in following along with those, follow the Shift _series Instagram, and we're gonna be going live a bunch on there. So yeah, just crossing things off my to-do list. What's up? Yeah, about to call it. Okay, I filmed my video, which was a thing that I kind of forgot how to do because I haven't posted in so long. And Morgan just got cute because we're gonna do some photos that she's doing a video on at-home photo shoot things.
And Adrienne is forever helping my visions come to life. I'm nothing without her.
Oh, roommate. Nah, but I'm getting benefit out of this too. But I don't have a vision for this one
until I post the video. We started this
true.
Ago, and, like, Adrienne hasn't even posted the photos because she's just that
I'm that nice. Yeah, dude, I'm not gonna ruin the vish. Okay, gonna go take a photo.
Can you ever just decide it hates you?
Yeah. My whole camera broke. All right, we're on location numero dos for Morgani Pants' outfit. I decided to opt out because look at me, haha.
No, you would be cool.
I'm gonna get pics, but not, I just like am not a basic background type of girl. I look stupid. So I'm gonna do a neon cool. I wanna do the one too where we cut words. We saw this TikTok where you like cut words out of a piece of paper and hold it against like some light so that it like creates this, I don't know. You'll just have to see it. It like shows the words on your face. Cool.
Looks pretty freaking cool.
It looks pretty freaking cooly dooly. Homies, I've been refraining from online shopping this whole quarantine, and I've actually saved a lot of money until now when I was like, you know what? I'm in need of some new things. So I bought some stuff that I'll show you guys in a minute. And I also have samples of some potential merch that I'm potentially selling, but I gotta see if I like it. So I'll let you know, maybe even give you a sneak preview. What's up, vlog? It's hours later. We took some photos. I did my live stream. It went really well. And then I did a workout that was not such a good workout because my body hurt. And I think I'm just sore from the rest of the week. And I got all grumpy and frustrated during it because I like couldn't do the moves. Anyway, just changed because if you guys didn't know, Morgan has been flying me first class around the world during quarantine. And so tonight, vamos a España anoche. So this is what I'm wearing. The outfit is very old. I got it like 2 years ago from Honeybum, LOL. Got my little heels on. So we're gonna go have a nice little Spanish dinner and call it a day. Okay, we are decorating for Spain and we've run into some conundrums. All of our lights broke. We don't really have much, but we're making do. So far, this is why it's Spain, because we have flags. So that clearly means it's Spain. We're dressed like Spain, totally. So sorry for all you Spanish viewers out there. I swear we know what we're doing sometimes.
How do you decorate for Spain?
Yeah, I know. We've got some wine on the table, which nice Spanish restaurants have. She's carrying a bouquet of ivy. It makes total sense. But we are going to whip up some sangria and some paella and some tapas. So let's get to it. Sangria life, baby. Let's go. And we are just chopping away. And we've got our chef hats. Duke life. Thummy. Cute. So here's the setup. Woo! No, I'll just keep talking so there's no copyright. Hee. Listen to my noise. Yeah. There's Morgan and she's plating our food. Look how bomb it looks. Yeah, it does. It looks like paella and it has some shrimp and fuzz. No fuzz. I just wanted to rhyme with shrimp. Wait, that doesn't even rhyme. I'm fired. Goodbye. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Good morning, vlog. It is the next day. We had an awesome rest of our night in España. And it is now Saturday. It's Memorial Day weekend. Some of my friends are going camping, but I don't think I'm gonna do that. So, yeah. Also, I never showed you guys what I got in those packages, so I'll do that definitely after I eat breakfast. But this was one of the things. It's literally a sweatshirt dress from Missguided. It is so fuzzy. It has Playboy bunnies on it, which is a little questionable, but I thought it was actually just really cute. So yeah, that's my little sweatshirt dress situation. And I'll show you the rest later. Okay, so I realized I never showed you what I got besides the Playboy hoodie, which is super cute and I love it. I also got this really freaking cute Missguided like crew neck sweatshirt. I am obsessed. I wish I bought a bunch more. This was on sale and they have a bunch of other colors, but I love that it's kind of like this washed out sort of thing and it's very soft and comfy. So I'm obsessed with that. And then this is one of the things I'm the most excited for. I have not bought myself like any cool sneakers or anything ever in my life. And I've been eyeing these for so long. I just think they're so fresh. So I decided to splurge and treat myself because I never do. I literally never buy shoes. And so I got these, but it's so funny. I've had them now for a while, but I'm like too scared to wear them, which is stupid because obviously I should wear them. They're shoes, but I like don't want to get them all messed up. I just really like how they look and but like I'm going to probably. And then I also got this kind of like two-piece set outfit from Missguided as well, but I actually didn't end up liking the way it looked on me, so I returned it, so never mind. So plot twist, we ended up going camping. Right after I was like, my friends are going camping, but we're not. And here we are.
And she's so glad she did. Oh my God, the adventure. You gotta see this view
though.
Okay.
You gotta
see this is our campsite.
All right, welcome to the site day camp.
We need a name for our home.
And okay,
welcome.
This is the dwelling.
This is the view.
And
Chateau de It needs to be something like almost didn't happen or like fucking miracle.
I don't know. Oh my God, this is actually really pretty. I know. Oh, pretty. So yeah, this is the freaking.
We got the coop here.
Oh yeah, Coopy. Hi, Coop boy. I need to change my battery. Anyway, so listen. It was a bit of a situation because they left before us. Oh yeah. And so we didn't know if we'd find each other, but guess what? We found each other. And I'm screaming in the middle of nowhere. Okay. Also, look how pretty this puppy is. Wee. All right, cool.
Look for wood.
Look at how pretty this is. We all just took pictures right there because it was so cute. And we have all this firewood for a fire pit. And I am done taking content because I want to be in the moment, but it's the last little bit of daylight.
Happy Memorial Day weekend.
Yes.
Guys, come on.
Good morning, vlogarooski. It is the next freaking day. And we had ourselves a little night last night. I'm wearing a bathing suit top, I'm not naked, but we are still here. And you know, that's typically what happens when you fall asleep somewhere and wake up, you're still there. But here we got the remnants of our campsite. We have started a fire, and by we I mean definitely not me. I had no part of that. So yeah, we got some people still riding the struggle bus, waiting to get off on their stop. I'm fine, and the view is still beautiful. It's different than last night, but beautiful. We definitely want to like climb up that rock and figure that out. But yeah, and that's that. Update, I have acquired a hat. I'm about to go exploring. No, actually, we basically only expected to be here for one night. And then we were like, this is so fun, we kind of want to stay. But we didn't really tell people that we were going to be gone for this long. So we're going into town to get more food and ice. And I'm going to tell people that I'm here so they're not like, did you die, ? And I wouldn't be able to answer because I have no phone service. So this would be a silly thumbnail. Thumbnail light. Hello from photo booth. This is great quality. I just wanted to outro this vlog because I'm editing it and I realized I didn't have an outro and that ended very abruptly. So yeah, that was my little week in my life situation. I have more vlogs coming soon because I've been vlogging like every day. So we're going to be back up in the moment. And yeah. Okay, I'm going to go. I just look really cute. I love you guys. Subscribe. Bye.